Hello students, our today's topic is set up bank determination for payment transaction. What do you mean by bank determination? You are able to define the ranking order of your house bank and bank accounts when you execute payment through automatic payment program. For that, we can use transaction code FBZP or bypass SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payment, payment method or bank selection for payment transaction. SAP में देखते हैं. Automatic payment set up a bank determination for payment transaction. Click on position, enter your company code, double click on it, okay, select it and then click on ranking order and now select all and then delete. Select all, then now click on save button, click on create request and enter your description. Set up bank determination for payment transaction. Then click on C button and click on continue button. Now click on new entries and enter payment method, back transfer, currency GBP, ranking order first and house bank BRC1. Enter payment method C, direct check, currency GBP, ranking order second and house bank BRC1. Press enter and then click on save button. Now double click on bank account, select all, then click on delete button. Now double click on bank account enhance, click new entries and add here our house bank, payment method, back transfer, here check, here also check, currency GBP, then ranking order 1, 1, 2, 2 and select your bank account and then press enter. Okay, here we have to change the USD, press enter and here also we have to set the USD. Press enter and then click on save button. Now double click on available amounts, select all and delete, then click on new entries, enter your house bank, then enter your account, days, currency GBP, and amount 1 lakh. Then press enter. Then select on value date, select all and delete it. Now click on new entries and add payment method E, that is bank transfer, house bank BARC1, and then our BAR01, an amount 1 lakh, and then day 1. Second entry for check, select our house bank, then our account, amount limit, and day 4. Press enter. Then double click on expenses, select and delete. Then click on new entries. Okay, no need to add the entry, delete, and just click on save button. So here we done all our configurations.